Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to force quit exit any application that is not responding or you just don't want to run anymore. You need to go to Task Manager by clicking right button of mouse on the taskbar and press Task Manager. You can go to this menu alternatively by clicking the key combo Ctrl, Alt and Delete. Okay, let's say you don't want to run Microsoft Word anymore, or it's not responding, then you can select it and press End Task and it will automatically close this application. Okay guys, it's a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.